Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are doing our very first CDF walkthrough, that is over the wire. And this is a pretty good website where you can practice your hacking and pen testing skills. And this gives a beginner to advanced level a step-by-step approach to get the real-world experience and how hacking really works in the world for a real-time basis. So let's get started. For the first level, as you can see here, there is something called as Bandit, and this is the first stage for saying this is the first stage, and this is the most beginner level stage. What do you call it? Stage beginner stage. For this hacking lab. And as you go further with Natus, Krypton, Narnia, something, all those things, the complexity of the CTF, that is to say, the pentest lab, increases. So let's get started. We'll get started with Bandit. Okay. So let's click on this, and the first thing is we'll go to the Bandit level 0. The goal is this level is for you to log in to the game using SSH. The host to which you need to connect is bandit.labs.overthewire.org. On port 2220, the username is bandit0 and the bandit0 again is the password. Once you're logged in, go to the level 1 page to find out how to beat level 1. So the commands you need is SSH. So this is the only command that they are saying that we need now. So let's open our terminal. We'll go to this apps and open our terminal, and let's keep this here. So there are two approaches which you can follow for solving your bandit level 1. One is they have already given the host URL, that is bandit.labs.overthewire.org. This is the host URL, and they have also specified that they are this URL or this server or host is running has running SSH on a particular port. Generally, the SSH runs on the port 22, but here they have specified a particular port, that is 2220. So this is a particular port. One way is to SSH directly using this host URL, and another way is by finding out its IP address. So we can directly do this by using the host URL alone. For learning purposes, I would like to demonstrate using the IP address. So when it comes to the question that how to find the IP address for this host URL, there's one tool that comes to mind, that is host tool. So this is a host tool, and this is the general syntax. As to say, we know the general syntax, so we'll get started for knowing or determining the IP of this URL. So we'll type host and then copy this URL over here. It is bandit .org. Copy again. We'll go here and paste it over here and hit enter. So using this host tool here, it says that the bandit URL has the address of 16.171.91 something. This is the IP address. As you can see, this is the IP address. So you can either use this IP address for SSHing over here, or you can directly use this use this URL to SSH over the server. So I'll first demonstrate with this. Okay, so you can use SSH, and for specifying SSH, doing SSH via particular port, the changes you need to do in the command is -p. You need to specify the port number on which the SSH is running, and type 2220, and then you need to type the IP address, that is 16.171.91.169. Okay, at username is bandit 0. Hit enter. There's a slight problem. So it should be it should be username first. Sorry, my bad. So when you hit enter, you can see this is an over the wire game server, and these are the so and so password. You know the password, that is bandit 0, and hit enter. So we are in the server one, that is Bandit Level 0. So you can type ls over here. There is something called as readme file. You can type readme. It says that is an ASCII text file. So let's view this file. Okay, you can type cat readme and hit enter. So this is it says that congratulations on your first steps into Bandit game. Make sure you have read the rules properly, so and so. And the password you're looking for is this. Now let's copy the password and store this. Let's copy this, and then let's exit from the level one and go to my documents, and I'll write echo, close this, and write bandit 1. So when you do ls, you have bandit 1 over here, and you can do cat bandit 1. So you have stored the password over here. So this is the level 0 of the over the wire. So this is how you solve the labs over here, and as a beginner friendly approach. We'll move on to the level 1, that is the next level, in my next video. Thank you for watching.